Meaning of feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
Feta cheese. Feta cheese is a type of soft, crumbly cheese with a tangy and salty flavor that originates from Greece. It is traditionally made from sheep's milk or a combination of sheep's and goat's milk. Feta cheese is known for its versatility in various dishes such as salads, sandwiches, and as a topping for pizza. It is also a good source of protein, calcium, and other essential nutrients, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Overall, feta cheese is a flavorful and nutritious ingredient that adds a unique Mediterranean touch to any dish.